Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you how you can make money while testing buttons on the internet. I know this idea may seem new to you, but there are people who are making money with the testing buttons or something like that. Don't worry, I will show you all the steps so that you can also start making money from this system. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then it is all about money making tips, digital marketing, becoming an entrepreneur, how to start your journey from home and leave 9 to 5 job, and also I will show you different case studies here. So if you are interested in those things, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get notified when I create new videos for you. Before starting today's topic, if you want to make money online from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned the link in the description box below. This is the system which I have used and learned all those skills which helped me to make money online. When I have started out with this platform, I was totally a beginner just like you, and these are the results just because of using this system training and tools. You can join it as a free member and see what is inside. So let's get started. These are the things I will cover in this video. How does it work, best website to join, how to start your journey, and different payment proofs in order to show you that this system is working for many people. So just look at the first slide. How does it work? There are few websites on the internet that pay the members for finding bugs in the websites or mobile applications. Every website has their own user interface to report that bug. User testing, app testing, and web testing is not a new idea, but it has been around for many years. I have also created videos on this concept before, like usertesting.com, validately.com, and just like similar to this. And this is a new website I will just going to show you in a few moments. This website is a platform where different businesses come together and they ask the admin of website that please show us our website to your customer so that they can find bugs or similar issues with our websites or mobile application, because these are generally big brands and they have invested a lot of money on their website content, interface, marketing, and they do not want to, at the end of the day, they do not want their visitors to let go for free without just because of the issues or bugs in their websites. And they, in order to check their websites and broken links or bugs, they use or they hire the services of different websites who have already members from different parts of the world. So I hope this concept seems very similar and simple to you. So let's move to our next slide, best website to join. I know there are different websites out there, but the website I am going to show you is the most legit one out there, and the website name is, just I am going to show you. The website name is test.io, as you are seeing that www or test.io. Fast questioning, answering, testing, or quality assurance testing as a service. As you know, these are some of the brands who are working with this website: Dissolve, SoundCloud, and Edmonds 1800 Contacts. Just if you move downward, you will see that if you just move to the About Us section, you will get to know about their team and people who are working with this website or a company. And in order to become a tester, these are the things they have shown you. Guidelines about earn good money. You can earn up to $50 for every issue you find. Cannot find any bugs? No problem. You can also be paid for rating apps. So $50 is the most, the uppermost amount, but the average amount that people are earning for finding each bug is generally about $1 to $2. So let's suppose if you report a bug are $3, then you can expect $5 to $6 for $3. And work from home, easily work from home or work from your favorite place, work the hours that make sense for you, test the latest apps, be the first to see the latest apps from the top companies and cool startups. So this is the website and it is the most legit platform out there. Let's move to our next slide. How to start your journey. These are the steps you need to undertake. Register, click on sign in button and now click on register as a tester. Just provide your name, your email address and your password, agree to the terms and condition and click sign up and create your test.io account. They will send you a verification email, click on that verification email and your account is live. Just log into your account and your next step is to start your first test. As soon as you register, you will receive an invitation to your first test. This is your qualification test and you have to complete that test within 2 days, and they will guide you or instruct you how you can find bugs, and you need to find at least three bugs as per the guidelines they will show you. If you complete or find those 3 bugs or something like that, they will look at that or review your report, and if your work is okay to them, they will approve your account. This is how you can become their tester. Receive your first payout, you get paid from your first test run. When you find bugs, get more invitations, receive more invitation based on device you have, your interest and your skills, earn while you learn. Become a tester king, climb the ladder to test the hardest apps or participate in exclusive test run with more opportunities. So this is just simple, and create your account. They will send you invitations through your or via your email, and just complete those tasks as soon as possible because they have a limited number of invitations. And in order to make money, I recommend you to start completing tests as soon as possible. Let's move to our next slide. Payment proofs. I know you may be thinking that whether this system is working or not and whether any people are making money. So let's look at this section, and I am going to show you a few payment proofs. Just move to a forum, Beer Money forum, and I have just opened from the Google, and you can see that test.io reviews legit or scam, and it is legit. And just look at these people reviews. So this is just it looks an interesting look like this. So this is payment proof. You should really try this website. I didn't pass the test as only one of my bug was accepted, but they have sent the payment of €2 for the bug. So they are paying for the bugs in the training period too. Very nice. I have attached the payment proof for the same. So just she has reported or he has reported one bug at the start or at the time of the test, and even though he or she didn't get approved, but they have sent the payment of €2 to his or her account. And let's move downward, and again more payment proof. Okay, it's already here, but the site is having referral program too now. If someone, I have earned more than €150 last month. €150 last month. You can see in the image below my earnings so far. So this is another payment proof for you, and this is another payment proof for you. I got paid by test.io for my last month. Amount is €154. I am trying to make it bigger, and this is the payment proof. So I hope this makes you or this lets you to reach to a conclusion that this site is a legit site. And now they have also introduced the referral concept as well. like they give you referral link, and you can find that link in your account, and if you share that link with the other people, and if anyone join Test.io using your referral link, then you will get money, or you will earn money. Just like I am creating videos, you can also create videos on the Test.io and put your referral link in your description box of your video, and if someone watches your video, you can instruct them like click your link in your description box, and if someone click that link and join that system, you will earn money. This is how you can increase your income and make much more money from the Test.io. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like it and also share with other people and other friends. Thank you.